In this video, I'm going to show you in my opinion, one of the hardest tires to change. It's from a New Holland 1025 subcompact tractor, and it's the front tires. You do work kind of hard to replace these, but here we go. We're going to try them. I did one already. Did that one off camera, so we're going to do this one on camera. This is how I do it. What you're looking at is a Coates 4050 tire machine. This is what I use. The original tires, they're pretty well wore out. It's a 2011 machine. They're the original tire to the tractor. The new ones that I'm replacing it with, I'll show you them in a minute. They're actually 8-ply. These are 6-ply. What happens is with these, they start to, even when they're fully air pressured up to like 25 psi, they will actually spin inside the bead because the beads in the tires are just plainly wearing and have leak issues. And there's actually sealer in these, which could be messy as well. But let's get into it, see if we can bring them down. I already took the air out of the tire and see what happens. Sealer on this tire or on the wheel itself yet. I'm going to go ahead and reuse that. I don't mind that little bit being on there. The beads are actually pretty clean. That little bit of sealer isn't going to hurt anything when I add the new tire. One thing I found that to make this a little easier is I have to make some space underneath it. So I found an old tire cap, center cap, whatever you want to call it. Helps with the space. This is nice and tight. I'll warn you, if you ever try to do this yourself, it is not the easiest thing in the world. So all right, this is going on the left side. Of course, this tire sealer is going to be everywhere, so we'll use it as a little bit of a lube to lube up the bead. Not saying for the last couple of years that tire sealer didn't help the inside of those other tires, but it's an awful mess in there now. And don't get me wrong, there's good and bad to it. All right, here we go. The negative on these tires is they're extra stiff. All right, like I said, one of the hardest tires to mount. Criticize me, whatever. Drop a comment down below if you got any advice on how to mount one of these tires. As you can see if we can find it. Get the camera to max load, 8-ply rating in that small of a tire. Called the Airlug. One of the very few tires I could find for this tractor anymore. These are a, what are they, 8-inch wheel? Yes, they're upside down, 8-inch wheel. They went to 10 and I think 12 now in this model tractor. So, and wheels are not cheap. So we decided we'll just mount them on here. But let's get it on the tractor. I'll get ahead and get it on the axle here. It'll be a lot better for traction and also for being stable when you have a load of material in the bucket. This tractor's been good to me. I own it since brand new, since 2011. We'll continue to maintain it. Works well around my property. So using my old Mohawk lift here to work on it. So got some other unique things doing with this tractor. Going to modify that cab, use it better with the backhoe. But yeah, we'll end the video here. Just one of the hardest tires to mount. These are looking okay yet, the rear ones. This one does have some damage in the sidewall, but we'll let them go for next time because I'm sure they're going to be more money. I bought these a few years ago when they were available. I do believe they were about $125 a piece. Do not quote me on that. I'll drop a link in the description for that tire if it's still available. Like I said, I think they were leaning towards a 10 and a 12-inch tire compared to an 8, but we're trying to keep this thing as stock and as much as possible. So, but thanks for watching. This is GMEC. A lot of views on my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. It doesn't cost you a dime. I appreciate it very much. It'll help my channel and help the channel, help the algorithm out, and it'll also give you more information and giving me the ability to, maybe come up with another subject matter to help you out in whatever you're working on. This is a DIY channel. I try to do whatever I can, but till then, again, Like, subscribe. This is GMAC. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.